Hello! I'm going to show you how to replace a screen on an HP ProBook 640 G1 series. Step 1. You've probably already completed this one. You've broken your screen. Step 2. You're going to need to take off this little plastic frame. I already did this, but we can pretend. I usually take like a credit card and put along the edges there. Get it started on one end. Pull very gently. You don't want to break that too. Next, you're going to find 4 little screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already took them out. And that way your screen will be able to come down and you'll be able to find the model number. Before you do anything, you definitely want to figure out what the model number is. You don't want the wrong screen. Then go to laptopscreen.com. They send it to you and then boom, you have a new screen. Okay, so once you're unscrewed there, there's a tiny little pin area. Mine has this little sticker, so I can just go boop and pull it out. Go, bye-bye, broken screen. Don't throw it in the trash. Look up e-waste. Send it to e-waste. Don't throw it in the trash. Next, you're gonna get your new screen. Ooh, don't drop it. Gonna break it again. You're gonna put those pins right back in. Oh, just like that. Stick it back down again, why not? Probably pull off this little piece of tape there. Pull off a little piece of tape there on the other end. Try to remember where you left those tiny screws. Lift it up. Align things. Screw those screws right back in again. I suppose you could take this plastic off. Press the button. All better. Now all you have to do is pop this little baby back on. Yep. Ta-da!